Hey guys, so when you build up your consumers' interest or your prospects before they buy their prospects.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So when you built up your prospects' interest, one thing you really want to do, and if you sell on Amazon or eBay or everywhere, on any large established platform, those guys already did the hard work for you and they figured out how to make it easy for the person to buy. But if you sell through your own website, okay, this is sometimes a big pitfall. That you've done all the job, all the work of like getting the person to your site and getting them interested, and then it's actually hard to buy from you. They have to enter the credit card and they don't trust you because you're a small site, or there's multiple steps that they have to take, and every step they have to take, that gives them a chance to change their mind. And you gotta strike while the iron's hot, because consumer behavior, they're very fickle. They want something one day, then some alert goes off, and then they change their mind, and that's it. You lost them forever. It's really that, and you never know that because they don't tell you that. You never know that, but it does happen like that. Very little things influence buying decisions, and so what you really want to do is if you sell from your site, when it's time for them to click buy, make sure that it's extremely easy. You accept PayPal, you accept credit card, you give them all the options that they might be comfortable with. Just make it easy, don't make it hard, because it's easier said than done sometimes, because sometimes it's like you got these third-party WordPress plugins you got to plug in, or you got to work with third-party software to make this happen, but really make it easy to buy, okay? Because you don't want to lose the sale because they have to take too many steps. And I feel funny some kind of saying this, because who would want to make it hard to buy? But when it comes to actually practical ways and how this plays out, it's actually sometimes kind of harder than it might seem. So really focus on ease of buying. And the great thing is, if you sell on any other large platform, that site has already gone through the process of optimizing the buying, right? Like Amazon, they have a big button, buy, add to cart, and then buy, checkout. So anyway, just a word of caution here.